वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तानी कौम तुर्किया की बरवक्त इमदाद पर उनके मशकूर हैं। पाकिस्तान में सैलाब से बड़े पैमाने पर तबाही हुई, 1000 से ज़ायद लोग जाम बहक हो गए, लाखों घर तबाह हो गए। आज सैलाब ज़दगान खुले आसमान तले जिंदगी गुजारने पर मजबूर हो चुके हैं। जिंदगी में पहले ऐसी कभी कोई तबाही नहीं देखी।
Turkey are sending lots of goods to Pakistan, and we are very thankful for this timely support. Within no time, after my telephone conversation with President Tayyip Erdogan, military airplanes took off from Istanbul and Ankara with plane full of goods, and now trains have also started moving towards Pakistan. This is something we deeply appreciate, and we are deeply touched. People of Pakistan would be deeply happy and appreciate your gesture. More than 1,000 people have been killed by these floods, including 300 children. Millions of people have become homeless. They have lost their life savings. Crops washed away, livestock drowned, and damage to houses. People are now spending nights under open sky.